جوړې بدې شاړې کړم ښایسته بادې څو چنده کړم.
The signing of the contract for the fourth section of the second phase of the Khaf-Herat railway occurred today, March 28, in the presence of Mullah Abdul Ghani Baradar, Akhund, the Deputy Prime Minister for Economic Affairs. The Afghanistan Railway Authority and Gamma Group finalized the agreement for this 47-kilometer segment with a total budget of $53 million. Completion and standard operational readiness are expected within approximately 2 years. This section marks the conclusion of the Khaf-Herat railway project stretching from Rabat Parian to Herat International Airport and the industrial town. Upon its completion, this segment will integrate the Khaf-Herat regional connectivity project with Iran's significant seaports and facilitate access to Europe via the Turkish railway network. Furthermore, traversing Afghan territory, it will bolster commercial exchanges between Central and South Asia. Notably, this project's realization will enable the expansion of railway networks into Farah, Nimruz, Helmand and Kandahar provinces.
جوړې بدې شاړې کړم ښایسته بادې څو چنده کړم. هر لویشته خاوره به دې بیا ډکه له خونده کړم.